In this episode, we are going to cook some delicious gluten-free pita breads.
We're going to start by adding in the flour, the whey protein,
10 grams of gluten-free baking powder,
the yogurt, and just a pinch of salt. Put on a glove.
You can also begin by mixing them in with a fork and then turning them on the work surface, where you need to knead them for about 5 minutes until the dough comes together. You can also press the dough with the palm of your hand, shape it up as a ball, and then you need to wrap it up into cling film and put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. For the filling, take a bowl of about 125 grams of mozzarella that you need to cut into small pieces, and then do the same for about 10 green olives. Take the dough out of the fridge, lightly dust your work surface with our flour mix, and then gently press the dough that you need to cut into 8 equal pieces, sliced up diagonally, then vertically and across. And then you need to shape up every piece of dough into a ball, and using a rolling pin, I'm using the midget version of it, just roll it out. This would be the ideal size. Then in the middle place the mozzarella and olive slices, followed by the grated parmesan. Slowly pinch it together so it won't break. Turn it around, make sure that it is properly closed, and then gently, but very gently, roll it out again. And choose your desired size. And for the second mixture, you can use some tomato paste, followed by some mozzarella slices and grated parmesan. Very securely close it up, turn it around, and then repeat the process of slowly rolling it out. And place the pitas in a tray lined with baking paper, and optionally you can brush them with some olive oil. Bake them for about 20 minutes at 220 Celsius degrees. This pita works very well as an appetizer or breakfast, and you can combine it with so many other things while still getting the nice flavors of mozzarella. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought of it, and I'll see you next week with another delicious gluten-free recipe.